Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a VW T5.1. This is a sort of a disability vehicle, so it's been modified slightly, and the customer wanted to add sort of more modern functions and features. So reverse camera, upgrade touchscreen, dash camera, etc. Show you what we've done, because this actually, most people would be scared of working on this type of vehicle, but our engineers are skilled enough to be able to do. So I'll show you what we've done now. Right guys, so I'll now show you this. So basically, well, I'll show you inside the vehicle, so I'll just deploy the system. So as you can see, it's a motorised system, but I will get into showing you what's what inside. So what we've done with this is we fitted the Kenwood camera, as you can see there. Oops, it gives a really nice view behind the back. Now the tricky part with this, as you can see, there's all the ramp, etc. in the back there and all the mechanism. So actually, to do what we've done, which is the camera in the back and also the dash camera, this was slightly trickier than normal, but again, our engineers are really good at what they do. So as you can see, that fit in there and there's no messing about, and obviously this then will just close as normal and all works. I'll show you inside now what we've done. Right, okay guys, so we're now inside the vehicle. As you can see, this is the DMX 8021 DABS fitted in that fascia. Fits absolutely superb, works well. This vehicle is a converted vehicle, so it's actually got the hand controls and whatnot, as I've showed you at the back with the doors. So what I'm going to do is just show you the image of the camera, so rather than put it in reverse, I'll just go on there and show you that. As you can see, that camera looks absolutely superb out there. And then just go back to home. So then into Apple CarPlay, as you can see here, we've got the normal Apple menus, which work really well. So if you're into sort of your calls, you've got the facility for obviously your normal calls, which will list all your normal stuff. You've got your Apple Music, your Apple Maps. We've then obviously got various different things. We've got here the facility to be able to play Tidal or WhatsApp.